We're going to do a few original songs. This one's by Carol.
When I lay my head on my baby's chest, I can hear the sound that I love the best. Well, I fell in love from the very start with a big old man.
Big old man.
With a big old heart.
Big old heart.
My baby's heart makes a beautiful sound, like an ancient drum beating on hallowed ground. He wraps his arms around me like a wedding band, and I make sweet music with my big old man. When I'm feeling low, when I'm all alone, I can call my baby on the telephone, and he talks to me for just a little while, and before I know it, I got a big old smile. My baby listens
My baby, listen
to what I say,
to what I say.
and he thinks about me
Anything about
when I'm far away, and I feel so lonely when I'm apart from my big old man and his big old heart. My baby's heart is big and strong.
this big and strong.
That's why his loving can last so long. And I fall asleep whenever I can in the big old arms of my big old man. My baby knows
My baby knows
just how I feel
just how I feel.
when he says he loves me. I can tell it's real, and I fell in love from the very start with a big old man, with a big old heart, with a big old man,
With a big old man.
with a big